Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Chitrakshi. So in today's video, we will continue our calligraphy code series. So today is our day 2. So in today's video, we will write a quote. So before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's get started. So in today's video, we will make the pattern background. So in previous video we will understand how to make rough background, but in today's video we will learn how to make pattern background with using tape. Okay, so simply I have my art file and put the tape around his boundary like this. So I will apply the red color. Now I'm applying a green color. So our background was dry, so I will remove the tape. So this is our background made. So our today's quote is creativity takes courage. So let's start. So for this, we'll first draw our guidelines. I will draw the guidelines and I write with black color. I am using DOMS brush pen. All set and done, this is our final touch looks like. So see you in my next video. Bye bye.